Hello everyone, in this session we'll be talking about number of plates. So to deal with number of plates, you deal with the number of colors that you are printing. So go to your question to see the number of colors that you are printing. It may be a full color, one color, two color, 3, 4, and so on. Do you get it? All right. So if you're able to know the number of colors that you are printing, it helps you determine the number of plates that you need. I hope this is clear. So in our question, let's say it was requiring us to, we were printing 4 color, a full color. So the 4 color is the full color. Printing a full color. So it was asking us that our book is a full color. So full color. Full color. That means you have the cyan, magenta, yellow, and then key. So cyan, magenta, yellow, and then key. Alright, so that means we will need a plate for this. This will need 1 plate. 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 So why full color? That means if something is a full color, let's say, let me take this picture for instance. Let's say there is this picture, and then in that picture you have this, right? Then you have this, and then you have this. So in this picture, when it's there, when this picture is on screen, you realize that it's like this, and then they are all together. So we do color separation. We separate all the yellows, all the magenta, all the cyan, and all the key or black, right? So in separating that, when I take the magenta plate, on the magenta plate, this is what you see, only this and then this, right? And then when I take my key will have only this, yes, only this. Then when I take my cyan will have this, and then this. Do you get it? And then my yellow will have this. So when I print everything and then I put together, I get this image. But if I print only this and then this, I only get the eye and then the hair. If I include this, I get this. If I leave the yellow out, that means the image is not complete. So that's how we deal with plates. So in calculating for plates, you have to know the total number of sections that are in a book. And then in solving for that, we stated that in one book we will be using 8 sections. Do you get it? In one book 8 sections, and then this 8 sections is the same as 16 flats, right? Okay, so that means when I take a book like this, I have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has a front and back, 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 front and back. When I come to my flats, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now I have 16 flats. So that means this flat 1 and flat 2 give me 1 section. I hope we understand that. Okay, so flat 3, flat 4, flat 5, flat 6, flat 7, so on, flat 16. Do you get it? All right, so my plates too, they come in flats. The plates come in flats, so each plate, it comes in flats. So if one book is having 8 sections, and then I'm saying that plates come in flats and it's a full color, that means we separate the full color into 4 different colors. Do you get it? So you have cyan, magenta, yellow, key. So 4 different plates will be used for one flat. So as a result, this flat will take how many? 4, and then the back two will take what? 4. So if one section is taking 4, right? If one section is taking 8, because the front takes 4, the back takes 4, that means one section is taking 8 plates. So how many sections do we have in all? We have 8 sections in all. So you multiply the 8 plates by the 8 sections, then you get 64 plates. Do we get it? Okay, so that is for if you want to use sections to calculate for your plates. And then you come to flats. If you are using flats to calculate for your plate, here you've already broken your sections into flats, so you've spreaded everything. So all you need to do is you need to know the number of plates that this is taking, and because it's a full color, that means this will take 4, this will take 4, this will take 4, this will take 4. So that means every flat will take 4 because it's a full color, 4 color. And how many sections are there? 16. You get it? And then 16 times 4, 16 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. So that should be 64 plates. And if you're able to do this, you are done with your plates. So in a situation whereby you've been asked to solve for a full color and a spot color, that means you have a full color which is this 4 colors, and then plus a spot color. Plus spot color. So the spot color is a mixture of these process colors. Do you get it? So when I mix cyan and yellow, any color that I get, I can call that, it's called a spot color. Do you get it? So that means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. As a result, if I need plates, I just have to know that because there are 5 colors, I need 5 plates. One flat takes 5, the other flat takes 5. I have 10. So when I take one section, it's taking 10 plates. And how many sections do I have here? 8. So 10 times 8, 80 plates. And then when I come here, each flat, am I on track? So when I come here, each flat, right? Each flat is taking how many plates? 5, right? Each flat is taking 5 plates. And then how many flats are here? 16. So let's do multiplication. 16 times 5, 80. So that should be 80 plates. So the one that you are okay with, you just use it to solve for your plates. I hope everything was okay using these 2 methods in calculating for your plates. Hope to see you in the next video where we'll be talking about how to calculate for impression. Thank you.